Okay, so nice. Shubha Vijaya beta. Shubha Vijaya to all my beloved students, and really it's a nice thing to see all of you before me. Lovely. So I hope everyone is fine, everyone is fit, and you have enjoyed your puja vacation with lots of safety, right? You have taken care of yourself, and now each and everyone, oh my god, thank you Arjo, and God bless you beta. God bless to all of my students. Thank you. And that's very nice. Yes. So Shugato, Inakshi, Arjo, Trishita, God bless you. God bless everyone, everyone. Okay, okay, okay. তো আমি তোমাদের সবার প্রণাম অ্যাকসেপ্ট করলাম ভার্চুয়ালি ওকে অ্যান্ড গড ব্লেস অল অফ ইউ গড ব্লেস ইউ উইথ দ্য ভিক্টরি দ্যাট ইউ হ্যাভ ডান ডিউরিং দিস ডেজ সো as Bijaya Dashami, right? Shubho Bijaya. What we are saying? Shubho Bijaya. So, what is the Bijaya? Bijaya means victory. Victory of truth over the evil. Right? So, what is this evil? Evil mane hocche? Yes, demons, Rakhosh, Mahishashur, right? And who is the truth? Who is the power? Supreme power, that is Goddess Durga. So, why we celebrate Vijayadashmi? We celebrate Vijayadashmi because Vijaya is the victory. Vijaya means Vijaya means victory. Victory on the 10th day. Dashami means on the 10th day when Goddess Durga was fighting with the demons. So today also we are every day fighting, you know, and we all are the true powers. We all have the power to kill the demons which are existing in us, like dishonesty, like greediness, like disobedience, like bad habits, indisciplined manner. So we are going to kill all these things inside us, and we are going to reform us. We are going to be in a new form after Vijayadashami because we are victorious. We have won from the devils known as greediness, dishonesty, disobedience, indiscipline, and yes, very good, that is sincerity. So we are going to be sincere now. Sincerity has won. So we are going to start in a new way. We are going to be very attentive. We are going to concentrate lots on these. We are going to be very obedient, right? And we are going to think logically. Every time we are going to think logically, which is correct, which is wrong. And the one more thing, that is you are going to ask me lots of questions. Why? Okay. So students, last class before the vacation we were doing our positive things, that was what? Opposite words, right? So we were doing opposite words. So on page number 34, 35 we have learned lots of opposite words through the help of a poem, through the help of a chapter that is known as opposite words. I'm very sorry, opposite words. Now today we are going to start with the exercise that is on page number 36. It's page number 36. So everyone please open your book. Okay, page number 36. We are going to do only the first question today. We are going to, very good Afrin. So we are going to do only the first question. And even we have celebrated birthday of Prophet Muhammad, right? Eid was also celebrated. So those who have celebrated Eid, that's Eid Mubarak to all of them, right? So very nice. So let's start. Okay. So here students, we are having some pictures. We are having 4 pictures on both the side. So today with one question, we are going to learn 3 varieties. One, picture matching. Second, number matching. And the third, we are going to write the exact word. Okay, so here I am not going to draw the pictures. I am going to make boxes. So everyone take your pencil and write down just number 1 beside this picture, that is a big house, number 1. Next picture is cloth, that is number 2. And third picture is cup of hot coffee, that is number 3. And the fourth picture is a deer running, that is the fourth picture. So these are the 4 pictures. Okay, these are the 4 pictures. Now let's go for 1. That is, here we will number it as A. Here we will number it as A. Next, here we will number it as B. Next picture, we will number it as B. Here, next picture, we will number it as C. Okay? And next picture, we will number it as D. Okay? So, A, B, C, D. Okay? Very nice. So, here comes 1, that is picture, that is big house. Big house, and it will be matched with the second one, that is small house. Okay? So, big house and small house. Big house and small house. Next comes what? Number 2. Here we can see dry cloth, and here we can see wet clothes. Okay, so dry clothes and wet clothes. So 2 is been matched with A and 1 is been matched with B. Next comes number 3. So number 3, where here we can see a cup of coffee, but cup of coffee is usually been drink in a hot form. So here we can see vapors are coming out, so it's the symbol of hot, and here is the ice cream, which is cold. So both the words are opposite to each other. So here we can match number 3 with D. Number 3 with D. So here comes hot coffee with cold ice cream. Hot coffee with cold ice cream. Very good. And the last one, that is number 4. Here comes fast. Deer is the symbol of fast, and tortoise usually is been exampled as slow worker, slow. Okay, so here comes fast, slow. Okay, fast, slow. So 1 B, 2 A, 3 D, and 4 C. So this we did picture matching first, and second what we learned? We learned number matching. Okay, so usually when we will go for class 1, class 2, we will do number matching. So here is the picture matching with the help of drawing lines, and the next one comes number matching, which is number has been given and you have to match it with opposite side. That is 1 B, 2 A, 3 D, and 4 C. Now students, all of you, very good Afrin, very good. Now all of you, please take out your copies. Everyone, you will take out your copy usually in which you write down your English work. So everyone, please take out your copies. Now I am going to replace these boxes with the words. Okay, so here comes the big house and the small house. The exact opposite is big and small. 1 big, B small. So here comes small. So here now I am going to put this B in bracket. Okay. Otherwise my alphabets will mix up with this number. So big, this is number 1, big, small, matched with 1, B. Now the next one is, next picture is dry. So here comes dry and here comes wet. So here opposite of dry is wet and here is A. Okay, so 2A, right? 2A. Everyone will note down this one in your copy so that we can learn all the 3 types, that is picture matching, number matching as well as word matching. With one single question we are learning 3 types of varieties. Okay, you can be asked the same question in 3 forms. So you are able to answer whatever may be the form, you will be able to answer your question. So next comes number 3. Number 3, here the word comes is hot. So here is hot and the next one comes cold. Okay, so hot coffee, cold ice cream. So here see, why I have just detached this number, because COLD again one D. So if I am not putting this D in the bracket, it will mix up with your word cold and it will become COLDD. So it's a wrong word. So we will make a bracket for this part so that, and we will leave one space, one finger space between these two, so that it can be identified that this is the word and this is the number. So number 3 hot is been matched with cold, that is 3B. Next comes our last one. Now deer, cheetah, these creatures are being given example for swift workers, that means fast workers. This girl is as fast as deer. This bike is as fast as cheetah. So cheetah, deer, kangaroo, these are the symbols of fast. Okay, so we will write fast, and tortoise is usually been example for slow. But those who are slow workers, that doesn't mean we will make a prank on them, because slow workers are always steady workers. They work slow but they are very steady and perfect. Okay, so fast workers, as they are fast and perfect, slow workers are also slow but steady and perfect. Slow, slow. What is the opposite of fast? It's slow. So big, small, dry, wet, hot, cold, fast, slow. 1, B, 2, A, 3, D, and 4, C. Okay, so this is the number matching, picture matching, as well as word matching. So we learned 3 types with one single question. We matched pictures so that we can get the identification, which is big, which is small, which is hot, which is cold, which is fast, which is slow, right, which is wet and which is dry. Then we got the identification of numbers, where numerically and what, and alphabets has been matched. So, and the next one, words has been matched. So these were the 3 varieties we have done. Along with this, I will conclude my class over here, because students, today we have completed only question number 1 and no one will complete question number 2, because question number 2 you will conclude with me. I will make you write in a different way. Okay, so don't do it in the book without me. We all together will do it in our next class. Till that time, you learn this very well, and I will be back again with your science class. So, bye-bye.